Rich in vitamin A and vitamin C, rosemary is great for hair and skin. Rosemary trees also have some other health benefits. Let's see the interesting facts about the benefits of rosemary tree. Rosemary is a rich source of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory factors which help to boost immune system and blood circulation. Studies in laboratory shown that antioxidants in rosemary plant play an important role in neutralizing harmful free radicals. In Europe, rosemary frequently used to treat indigestion. According to research, the scent of rosemary can slightly improve sleep performance and also mood. Rosemary contains an ingredient called carcinic acid, which helps to fight against free radical. Shampoo made from rosemary leaves is beneficial for hair. The oil made from rosemary can cures most hair problems. Many people drink tea with its leaves, which is quite tasty. Rosemary can be very effective as an anti-tumor agent. According to researches, it is revealed that rosemary significantly improves eye health. If you love this video, please share with your friends and the near ones. Thank you.